In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a star rating display to your GoDaddy website. Begin by making sure you are already logged into your GoDaddy account. From there, open your GoDaddy website builder dashboard and select the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website to open the website editor. Once the editor loads, go to the page where you want the star rating or review display to appear. It is important to place it on the correct page before adding the section, so your reviews show exactly where you want visitors to see them. This opens the Add Section menu, where you can browse different content types that GoDaddy offers for your website layout. Inside that menu, select Social Links. In this area, look for the Reviews option. Once you find it, click Reviews and choose the review section layout that best fits your website design. GoDaddy may offer a few layout styles, so pick the one that works best for the page you are editing. When the review section is added, you can begin customizing it. Change the title so it matches the purpose of the section. For example, you can label it something simple and clear for your visitors. You can also choose the background style that fits the look of your website. Then move on to the review content itself. You can add your reviews manually if you want full control over what appears in the section. If GoDaddy gives you the option, you can also connect to an external review source to display reviews from another platform. Choose the method that works best for your site and complete the setup. Once you are finished editing the section, click Done to save your changes. This will keep the review section in place with the layout and settings you selected. Finally, click Publish to make the review section live on your website. Publishing is the last step that ensures your visitors can actually see the new star rating or review display online. After the site updates, visit the page on your live website and confirm that the section appears correctly. Check that the layout looks clean, the title is accurate, and the reviews display the way you intended. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.